Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Python collections, right? It's a data type like list, tuples, and dictionaries, right? And range and one more thing, right? We have created already one video for the data type and variables. It's a beginner type, and this is also for beginner but a little advanced for the collection data types, right? So what we are going to discuss, I think we have a but we have already discussed in earlier video the string, integer, bool, float, set, list, tuple, dictionary. But for this video we are going to discuss list, tuple, dictionary, range and set, right? These four data types. So let's start. I have already written my code, right? So I will show you how to do that, and I will do some hands-on practice and all, right? So basically we have defined list of a string, that is the value of the list of a string, print, tuple and all, right? So now I'm running this code. Just a second. So basically that is hidden somehow. I was not. So now I'm taking it. So we have done. So it is like appending the tuple, right? So we are just printing the tuple, right? Whatever we do have. So this is printing. Here it is, right? Output. So now I'm showing you we do have a append method, and if we want jj, it's a one more appending. So now what he will print appending the tuple is none. Okay, and I want to print this, control Z, control S. Now I'm just going to print. So it is called appending the tuple is none, printing the tuple, and that is a JJ, right? And I will add it without this printing. Now this is coming as expected. I have list, I have append, and then I am printing. If I want to remove, so remove, we do have a method. I will remove Jitin. So this need to be removed. Okay, so output will come in two format, right? Let's see. So Advika and Sunny, I hope you got it, guys. Now if I want to traverse the list using the for loop, so this is already I'll control this is, so let me choose. That is the printing the tuple, it's coming, and below is the output is whatever we do have, right? We'll explain once more. That is the printing the tuple, and this is the for loop output. If you want f string, we can use printing the list items. So it will come right this side, printing the list item, right? We do have like some, if you want, like dot length function, like how much length we do have. It is 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so this is counting the length function, and that is the list, right? Let's come to the loop. We have explained all these things. Now we are going to discuss tuple, because we have already shown the list item can be add, remove. So list can be, we can able to change this list. Okay, so but what is the tuple actually? So that is tuple, once we have created, so we cannot change, and people can ask if you are from platform, cloud engineering, support, automation, so this can be asked as well, right? So test tuple, this is a type hinting. It can only achieve tuple type of the data. If it is a string, so it can only assign a string. Okay, I have already created first video, so if you have any issues in this, so you can go through first video. This is the second video of the Python playlist. Print type test and list of the test, right? So we will first print test. Okay, so need to see the output. Class type is tuple. Okay, this is a test, is a variable type of the tuple. Print tuple values, right? Like if you, this is tuple values, already start this, block. Okay, not like curly, big bracket and a small bracket, I would say. Okay, so type is a tuple and print the values. If I want to print the list in this tuple output into the list, right? So I have converted, so that is coming is list. Okay, sign is the list. And if you want, like let's suppose for loop for the tuple, for loop to the tuple, so we have this, right? And this is printed, and for jj in test is a variable and print jj. And if you want set of zz output, okay, set can keep the unique number. Okay, so I have whatever the value is passing, I will converting in the set, right? So let's see. So class tuple values is this 1 2 2 3, so that is not working, which I am expecting it will work. So that is not working. So if we want to remove, so okay, to set, I will show you. Okay, we cannot use. I have explained tuple with for loop and all, right? And tuple data we can convert into the list as well here. Okay, these two things I have explained, which is already. Now what is the set, right? So set, like you can define, and this is a more powerful use, but maximum we can use this type of the concept in the Python programming, right? So set is the, we can define the duplicate values, and it will start in curly braces. Okay, so make sure. And access order is not unique, so I will show you. Let me run first. So 1 2 3 4 6, but our order 1 2 2, unique will come 2 3 6 4. So axis of order is not sure, but we will get a unique numbers. Okay, and if you want, like this output itself list format, so we can get it as well. So that is coming in the list, and this is the set, right? And let's come to the dictionary. I think we do have a dictionary a little more. So it's a variable new dict, and dictionary name is Jitendra Education. So print the values, right? Print the first, right? New dicts, right? So that is coming. If you want like values only, if you want like values like Jitendra and MCA, name is a key, education is a key and value is Jamshid, name is Jitendra. So we can use it here. Dot values. Okay. Just need to rerun. So its output come dict like this, right? So we do not want this, right? So by default it will output will come either we are going to access keys and values, so output will come first is inside the string, list, and outside is like is a your tuple. So if you want like only tuple output, list output in the list format, so we can go this list. Okay, so output is coming in the list. Okay, if I can try tuple will work. So let's see, tuple is also work, right? So we can get a tuple and list type of the output as well. So that is the thing, right? And we can traverse the loop if you want like values and all, right? So we can do that. So it's a for loop, for JJ in list, new dict values. So we want like dict values. So this is Jitendra and this. But if you want like a tuple is also worker, so let's see the tuple will work or not. Okay, and this is the for loop. We have explained values, we have explained, so I will do the values directly. But if you want the output all the characters, right? So how we can do that? So it is already basically I'm doing my testing, then we can hit this, right? So I want Jitendra and MCA, right? So JITE in the format, so this will work like JITE and DRA. This is here. Okay, and MCA. Okay, so JJ in list, new dict values, and KK in JJ and print KK. So it is coming in this, right? So I hope dictionary now you are quite familiar. And if I would like to say true false, so it's a boolean values, right? And it's a case sensitive, so I want to show this as well, right? So there is no doubt x and x, small x and capital X, both are different. Okay, so values is 10, 11. What is the none type? One is a data type already is a none. So printing type of the none, it's a string values. If you want without a string, so it will also work. Okay, so it's not look like I just add it only. And now if you are talking about this, range is also a data type, right? So let's see the output first. So that is a list output because we have converted into the list. If you do not want to list, so now output would be range. Okay, range is 1 to 6 and that is not coming right now. Okay, so if you want to print like range, so I have converted in the list, range is in the num and I have printed. But if you want to do like defining the range in a way, I would say range 1, 6 undefined num1. So that is the way that is working. For I in num1 num1 on print. values of string, values of range. So if you want to print this, so that will come like this, right? Okay, so kindly do, if you have any suggestions, so just let me know. Kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.